Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and initiating discovery. Turn on Wi-Fi on both devices or plug the PC into Ethernet. Once the network is stable, open Windows Quick Settings or Mac OS Control Center and enable screen sharing. Make sure the receiving display or dongle is powered and in pairing mode. You're not just turning things on, you're creating a trusted connection. If the receiver uses Miracast, AirPlay, or Chromecast, pick the matching option on your PC now and begin the device search. Once the receiver appears, select it and accept any pairing prompts. If a PIN shows, enter it on the PC to secure the link. After connection, decide whether to duplicate the screen or extend the desktop, because that affects window placement and performance. Then open display settings to set resolution and scaling so text is readable and Windows fit. Also route audio explicitly to the mirrored device if you want sound there. Test with a short video to validate display and audio sync. To finish, disconnect through display settings to avoid leaving an open session and close any apps that held video streams. If you notice lag or stutter, reduce resolution or switch the PC to Ethernet. Wireless interference often causes delay. If connection fails, restart both devices, ensure drivers and receiver firmware are current, and retry pairing. This fixes most handshake problems. One key tip: temporarily disable VPNs and firewall rules because they often block discovery protocols.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.